Alright guys, this is TNB Metals. I finally got all those motors done. There was 30 of them, 32, I can't remember, but anyway, ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 aluminum motors, and so we ended up with 50 pounds of copper, and I don't know how much of the aluminum plates, the caps we had, but I hauled the aluminum last week anyway. But I've got some wire I'm going to run on this wire stripper here, and it's pretty good wire. Wish I had a lot more of it, but I ain't done no actual videos in a while, so I thought I'd shoot a real quick one and let you guys see this stripper in action. Makes pretty short work out of it. I like it a lot better than the ones that only cut on one side. It's a lot nicer just to walk over here and pick up clean copper, pick up insulation. A lot faster, more productive. So yeah, if you get enough wire to justify stripping a lot, I really suggest getting a 4-roller stripper. I don't know how much wire that would justify to you guys, but I do get quite a bit of wire from time to time. Sometimes not a lot, but most of the time, it's a pretty good bunch. I've got about 350 pounds I'm gonna bring home one day next week, and I still get the Romex and stuff off of the guys I work with that do electrical. But that easy, guys. With this 4-roller machine, we just run that through. Now we got all this ready to go. And for the guys that get Bear Bright, this would be Bear Bright. For me, it'll be #1. But after doing a little more digging, my #1 prices is pretty much where everybody's Bear Bright prices are. So even though it feels like the yard's not paying me as much or as good, it turns out it's relatively the same thing. But Anyway, guys, I just want to jump on here and do a little action because, I mean, we don't do it very much. We usually just do an update and go over a way and pay ticket. But, yeah, if you secure enough wire to make money off of it and you don't want to spend a lot of time, then I would pick up one of these 4-roller machines. After watching Project Shop Florida, I couldn't keep using a 1-roller machine. The Stripmaster is a good little machine for what it costs and what it is, but you end up either having to peel it all off or try to run it twice. And with this right here, you eliminate all that. You get done one pass, you're done. Clean up your mess, clean up your clean copper, put it in your bucket or your bin, and call it a day. But if you're still with me, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. 10B Metals out.